Do you need a mechanic you can trust? Do you have a problem with your vehicle? Just ask.
Hi, my name is Stacy Barba, owner of Ask Auto Repair, the shop that your dad would trust. Here at the shop, we work on all makes and models of vehicles. If you have a problem with your car, just ask. We are a family-owned business here in Las Vegas for the last 5 years.
So if your car is acting a little bit funny and you can't deal with another franchised auto shop with bad customer service and you don't want to pay those high prices at the dealership, come down to Ask Auto Repair. We have a 5-star Better Business Bureau rating and amazing reviews on Yelp and Google. If you need a tune-up, if you need a major repair, just ask. NAPA Auto Care warranty is parts and labor for 24 months or 24,000 miles at all NAPA Auto Care centers nationwide. And with over 30 years experience, finally, there's a mechanic you can trust and a warranty you can count on. Ask Auto Repair, serving the Las Vegas community.